Dear friends, this morning view is absolutely breathtaking. A perfect blend of serene skies, lush greenery, and a truly panoramic scene. Look at this. Fresh and blessed morning to all of you. This is Mehdi Hassan speaking from Mehdi's English Care. Alhamdulillah, I have completed my morning prayer, dawn prayer, Fajr namaz, and after that I am here. Right now I am recording this video to inspire and encourage you. Look at the morning atmosphere. It's so calm, so peaceful. When the sun slowly rises behind the trees, the entire view becomes absolutely astonishing, right? Just, I can say, enchanting. I love to use this word, and everything looks picturesque. And the atmosphere feels truly alluring, calm, cool, and filled with a gentle breeze. And the exquisite scene. Alhamdulillah. I love to use these vocabularies. Keep learning English with confidence. With Mehdi definitely, a dedicated and passionate English content creator from Bangladesh, and a devoted and committed and experienced English trainer from Bangladesh. Who are my top fans? Who are my regular video viewers? Please comment below. And how many vocabularies are you learning or have you learned from this video? In each video I try to use some new vocabularies for all of you. My each video is unique and different, right? I work hard to teach you English. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram and LinkedIn.